Good evening from here. Just a short message. Who are your friends? Who do you think that really love you? Who do you joke with? Who do you trust? Onye dị mma n'azụ. There are things I see sometimes and I'm so shocked. Surprised. If God should expose your real enemies to you, you will not believe it. If God should make you hear what people say about you at the back, you will not believe it. That person you call your friend may be a friend of your enemy. Be careful in life who you hurt. I always say this to people because the person you are hurting may be a soul that is protected by God. The spirit may be mad with you. There are people suffering today. Their suffering, their sickness, their pain started from the day they hurt a beloved one of God. They're wondering what happened to their business. They're wondering what happened to whatever they cherish in life. But it's just that they touched God's own. Be careful. Touching God's own can land you to where you will not survive. Yes. There was a day I called a friend and I was telling her what somebody did to me that I didn't like. And the person said, hold on. Let her call the person. She said I should not talk. She will put me online. Let her ask the person, what did Mario did to you? She connected the phone. She asked the person. Mother Mario said, look at what you did to her. If you hear what this man said, hey, without knowing that I was online, I was listening. Hey, God. He was not only mad at me, it was a transferred aggression of his hatred for priests and sisters. My friend said to him, at least why will you do this? Don't you know that she's a sister? How can you treat a sister that way? He said that I'm even a sister made the matter worse. That he is even treating me bad is because I'm a sister. That he hates sisters, he hates priests, that they're useless people. What are they doing? What is church? This person, oh my God. I never knew that he's the enemy. He's an enemy to the church. If I was told in a dream that that person that has been laughing with me is an enemy to the church, I will never believe it. There are people that laugh with you. Before you, they laugh, they play, they joke. They pretend to be your friend. They pretend to be your sister or your brother. But inside them, they are so bitter against you. The least opportunity they will have, they will hurt you. Stop trusting people. Stop being loose to people. Protect your heart. Protect your life. Protect yourself. The rate at which jealousy, envy, hatred are increasing every day in the world is terrible. You are doing the same business with somebody. The person is not happy with you. You think is their business colleague or partner. It's not happy with you. The person feels you are grabbing the money that is supposed to come to him or her. Clash of interest. Business interest. Up wanna go to mad more. That is why onwe business in eme oge akpọgo ọrụ ije ọrụ ahụ onye ọzọ na-arụkwa ụdịrị ọrụ ahụ ezubata bịa n'eri ihe ịrụrụ ka ọ maa ma ịrụtakwara ya ka ọ compare ka ọ kọchaa gị maka na ọ chọrọ ka ọ bụrụ ya ka a ga-enye ọrụ ahụ obi adịrị ya mma imama ọ na-achịrị gị. The world of today is being destroyed every day because of jealousy, envy, and these things leads to anger that lead to other bad things. Anyị nọ n'ahịa, anyị na-ekwensu nọ n'ahịa, anyị nọ n'ahịa, anyị na ndị iro nọ n'ahịa, anyị nọ n'ahịa, anyị na-ekwensu nọ n'ahịa, onye na-amaghị uche Chineke, oche na-ekwensu emeriana. Anyị nọ n'ahịa, anyị na-ekwensu nọ n'ahịa, anyị nọ n'ahịa, anyị na ndị iro nọ n'ahịa, anyị nọ n'ahịa, anyị na-ekwensu nọ n'ahịa, onye na-amaghị uche Chineke, oche na-ekwensu emeriela. Onye na-amaghị uche Chineke, oche na-ekwensu emeriela. The devil can never win. It's not possible. It's not possible. Somebody got to But guess what? Ndị blame who listeners who believe. You are the one I will blame. Onyara na-ege asele. Onye amasịsịrị ife na-ege kweta mmadụ ga-abịakwute gị ọkwaba gị gwasịa gị ọsị gị ajụkwana. Don't worry, just wash out. Why ga-eji asị ajụkwana? Itugide mmadụ asị. Create enmity between mmadụ na ibie. Ikwo nke bụ eziokwu na nke na-abụrụ eziokwu n'ihi oyi nke ụwa. Oge ọbụla itinyere aka n'ihe ọjọọ eji emegide mmadụ, chaa aka ghọrọ mkpụrụ nke gị. Mgbe ọbụla ị na-emegide innocent soul, ji aka ghọrọ mkpụrụ nke gị maka na Chineke ya adalara ụra. Chineke o dey keep quiet mgbe a na-emegide nwa ogbenye, onye na-enwero nke ọ ya emenwu na nke ọ ya ekwu, onye na-enwero mmadụ. Ịma na everything now will by connection. Everything over there in Nigeria is about connection. Even hatred, they connect hatred. They connect envy. Mana Chineke ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihe na-eme ndị nke ya. Ọ malitere oroma n'ime m, ọ gara ya ruo ọgwụgwụ. Chimu malitere oroma n'ime m, ọ gara ya ruo ọgwụgwụ oge. Ọ malitere oroma n'ime m, ọ gara ya ruo ọgwụgwụ. Ọ malitere oroma n'ime m, ọ gara ya ruo ọgwụgwụ. Ọ malitere oroma n'ime m, ọ gara ya ruo ọgwụgwụ. Ọ malitere oroma n'ime m, Chimu gara ya ruo ọgwụgwụ oge. Ọ malitere oroma n'ime m, ọ gara ya ruo ọgwụgwụ oge. Ihe ọ sọrọ ekwensu na-eme. Gee ntị. Ego ọbụla wu nke gị wu nke gị, onye ọzọ ga-anapụ gị ya. Ihe bụ nke gị bụ nke gị. Let me agwa gị. You know, sometimes people take away your position. They steal your seat. Nọchie. Onye ọbụla nọchiri n'oche gị ọgwụ ga-adụgide dugbuo ya. You cannot take somebody's seat and enjoy it successfully. Ọ ga na-adụ gị ogwu, ị ga na-ata ahụhụ n'oche ahụ. You can't take what belongs to me. If you take what belongs to me, the God I serve, the God eternal Father, ọ ga-adagbu gị, ọ ga-ada gị ọkụ. Nke m bụ nke m, nke gị bụ nke gị, mmadụ ewe nke gị. Don't take another person's seat. Don't steal what belongs to another person. It is bad. Because all the days of the person's life, because you took the person's seat and sat on it. Ask God for your own. Stop taking another person's own. Stop eyeing another person's property. It's not your own. Always ask God to give you your own. Stop eyeing another person's own. Stop destroying relationships. Go find your own relationship. Stop being ungrateful. Don't be an ingrate. Mmadụ mepere gị ụzọ. Ị chọọ imechinaha onye ahụ ụzọ nke o mepere gị. Mmadụ kpọbatara gị in a place, ị chọọ ịchụpụ onye ahụ nọchie. For na isi adịrọ gị mma. Isi adịrọ gị mma. Share this message. I know that a lot of people have gone to bed now, but I just have to deliver this message. I delivered it when it came. Stop taking people's position. Stop taking what does not belong to you. Stop character assassination. Stop it. Stop blackmailing one another. Stop being envious of somebody. Jealousy. Hurting souls. You may think you are smart. You may think it's a game. It's not a game. We'll say it's a man or bro game. You will not know that you are wounding a soul protected by God. Chineke ga-agbagia. Oh, that is the Oku nke enigwe ga-agbakpọshi gị anya. Ị ka nọ na-ajụ ogene. Ị ga-anọ na-ajụ God, why me? Mana ịma ife na-eme gị. Maka na onwe onye izọdoro ụkwụ. Onwe onye na-emegide. Onwe onye na-emewu obi. Onwe onye na-atụgide asị. Onwe onye tụgidela asị. People think that's smart when they use gossip and take you out of your seat. When they use gossip or their women power or their man power and take you out from your seat, your position. Heche na he merigo. Because no ye na maru che Chineke. Neche no merigo. Mano meribe. Anyị nọ n'agha. Anyị na-ekwensu nọ n'agha o. Anyị nọ n'agha. Anyị na onyiro nọ n'agha o. Anyị nọ n'agha. Anyị na-ekwensu nọ n'agha. Onye na-amaghị uche Chineke. Oche na-ekwensu emeriana. Did you take anybody's seat? Did you use gossip to take somebody's position? Are you in a place that is not your own? Are you in a position that is not your own? Did you use gossip or lie to assassinate somebody's character? To cause problem between somebody and another? Did you use lies to create problem between somebody and somebody? Are you playing games to somebody who sincerely loved you? If you are sitting on a seat that is not your own, that is not your right, kunikwa nyekwa ya onye nwe oche ogwu ga-adugbukwa gị. Ogwu ga-adugbukwa gị. Ihe ndị mere years ago gakwa yoba Chukwu maka mgbaghara. Because they saw you hurt 3 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, may not have forgiven you. Yes. That heart you broke down. That person, you caused problem between her or him and another person. You know what you did. That soul may not have rested. Maybe still kana mụrụ gị anya abalị. Not every soul easily let go. Yes, it is true. We always pray that people forgive and let go. But not all souls do that. So go and apologize people you have hurt. Go and apologize. You did a lot of things secretly. Sometimes you think they don't know. Only hurt Ramaro or Manoge. Oh, one woman here. I don't know what I did to this woman. This woman just hates me. Whenever she see me, she will smile, she will laugh, Mother Mario. But she in the spirit, I see her all the time in the spirit. She hates me. Amam. So, knowing that when you hate somebody, it's all about you. You are the one suffering it, not the person you hate. You. It's all about you. You want to be like another person. Is it by hating and envy that you used to be like that person? My secret in life is that I try to be happy, even in the midst of every difficulty. Even in the midst of pains and suffering, I still try to be happy. So be happy. Don't let nobody take away your happiness. Don't give anybody chance to keep you unhappy. When they push you to the door, to the wall, break the wall and pass. Break the wall and pass. Break the wall and pass. Share my message. Thank you for following me. Thank you for believing in me. I love you. I love my house. I love my friends. I love my family. May God continue to bless you, to answer your prayers, to console you, to touch you, to make you happy again. Nyahune chugora. Nyahune disturb oge. Kashineke zagia. I want your music to change too. Ihe hum nebera kwa Chukwu mechara mere mụ ya. Chukwu mechara mere mụ ya. Chukwu mechara mere mụ ya. Ihe ahụ na-echu m ụra. Chukwu mechara mere mụ ya. Chimu mechara mere mụ ya. Chimu mechara mere mụ ya.